Let us look at wiring up. Start the wiring up of the circuit. Now you have two 6 mm coming through. Alright, you bring two red live. This is one of them through the pot head. This is the other one, and you have the black, which is neutral, under this screw here, the neutral screw at the top. Then you're going to have another red from the customer side going down. You have another red, so you have two live going down, and then you have the neutral. So you have two live and a neutral. You have a green 6 mm under this screw as well. This green would be earthed to a ground rod. And remember, the this meter socket would be on the stanchion near to the gate, near to the roadside, within 5 feet from the roadside. All right. Now, for the breakers, the distribution box, this would be inside your house. So you connect a live to one side of the double pole, another live here, and then the main neutral goes down here to the main neutral bar. All right. It's coming down right here. So that's the main neutral, because it's black and the background is black. You're not seeing it, but it's connected here. All right. Now, this neutral bar here is not electrically connected to the chassis or the metal shell of the distribution box, but you have a lug, an earth lug right here that is connected to the chassis. So you're going to have a green here to earth the distribution box. You have a green 6 mm coming out, and then this would go behind the wall and down into a ground rod. You have another green 2.5 going from this lug under the same screw as the main earth. All right, so you tie the earth lug to the neutral bar inside the meter, inside the breaker panel, or the distribution box, I should say. All right. Now, let's wire the plug. Remember, once you switch this on, that means towards the middle of the panel of the box, and then these turn the handle towards the middle of the box as well, then they're on. And the live here would be connected to these, and this screw would become live, this screw would become live. Alright? So now, from the 20 amp circuit breaker, the live wire connected to the live screw, and that screw will be where you have the narrower slot on the plug. Then you have the neutral. Let's use blue for the neutral. Remember, you have 4 neutral screws here because of 4-way panel. One of them is connected here. You go down to the switch, and right behind here you connect to the other side where the broader slot is. Alright? So you see that? And remember, you have an earth screw right there. Alright? This thing keeps jumping up and down. Must be some technical problems. Let me see if I can address that and continue. Alright, so we're back now. So here, let me redraw the neutral because I lost that. So the neutral, well, ideally you really want to have the earth and neutral behind, connected from the corner. So you go and bend inwards, right? It might not be that easy to do, but it's neater that way and takes the wire away from the middle of the panel, away from crowding the panel in the middle of it. Alright? Good practice to do. Now, the neutral, you connect to the neutral screw here. You go down through the conduit, go behind here and connect to the broader, this screw with the broader slot. And then you're going to earth the plug as well as the handy box, because it's a metal handy box, right? Now, this 2.5 millimeter, if you have space under here, you could join it or connect it with a wire connector so that you have the green earth 2.5 coming down and connected to the ground screw on the plug, and then also connected to the ground screw on the handy box. Alright? So you must ground all the metal parts, not only the plug ground screw but also the ground screw that is on the handy box. So that's basic wiring of the meter socket, the distribution box and the plug. Next time we continue by wiring up the lights. But remember now, before we end, you wrap the wires here around a conduit to make a drip loop. Alright? Call it drip loop because you allow rainwater to drip outside the conduit and not to drain down into the conduit. And it also allows some amount of flexing and movement due to the wind. Right? So that's the drip loop, allowing rainwater to drip on the ground instead of running down into the conduit.